And one of our snacks is a baguette of bread, but I don't know if we're gonna have it anymore because homegirl in the back is eating all of my baguette. Like, who just gets bread for a road trip?
Never on the move, and in the dark times you don't have to question.
Alright, we're gonna start to film, so this is going to be necessary so I don't get into an accident. But this is a pretty cool one, and it was only $24.99, so I'm excited about it. Look at all the things it does. You can have it on the window or the dashboard, so that was a steal. And then one thing I wanted, because I am using the iPhone to film, is a wide angle lens, and these just attach to your iPhone to make it look like a little bit wider, especially in the car. We found if we were taping that it would like cut off half of our faces, so we're gonna try to use the wide angle lens, but it also comes with a fisheye and a macro lens, so we're gonna see how that works in a second. And then of course I can't go without getting a new case and pop socket. Why is it so big? Pop socket. So.
Is there a new pop socket?
Oh, she got one too.
Yes, I do.
It's nice and pretty. Alright, so those were the big, and then there's also now pop socket car vent mounts. So I had a magnetic car vent mount, but it was not good. I don't like it at all. It doesn't work. So this just, your pop socket fits into it, and then you just slide it onto the vent, and it works really, really well. Alright, so the other essentials, real quick, that we got, other than toys for Marley, deodorant, obviously. Give me the other bag, babe. Long trips, gotta stay caffeinated. So this is gonna be what our road trip consists of. Coffee,
for me.
and no energy drinks for you. You don't need any caffeine, girl. Alright, Clorox disinfectant wipes, because Marley has stinky feet.
Hey, you need to.
Multiplication flashcards, because you gotta practice. Makeup removing wipes, of course, because I always feel like really dirty when I'm on a road trip. Even though we are staying in hotels, we are going to be showering, but just it's nice to have. Hand sanitizer. What is that?
What is this?
It's for your hair.
It's for my hair.
Detangler, since we'll be going in pools in her hair. I don't know if you've seen it, but girl has long, wavy, curly hair.
And then we got the Ziploc bags.
And gum, wintergreen.
Baby wipes.
So many things. So many things. And because razors are my enemy, I'm gonna try Nair. Because I just want to be able to put it on and scrub it off and just have hair be gone. So I've tried this before. I like it. It doesn't always work the first time, but if you do it 2 days in a row, it gets all the hair off. And then I don't want to be white on the road trip, so I might be streaked on the road trip, but I'm going to try it today. And then she got squishies.
Can I open it?
But yeah, this is just our quick haul. We went to Trader Joe's and got snacks that we'll be having over the next 3 days, but these were really the essentials that we thought that we needed for the trip.
Wow.
So we're excited. We leave tomorrow. Alright, so we're almost done packing. Most of it's done. Waters, shoe basket, luggage. We have some more going in. My daughter's pillows and blankets, snack bags. Already. Some gum in there. Clorox wipes. And then we'll have the camera set up over here. Water. We got our Purell, some wipes, and I think we're good to go.
I was never on the move. And in the dark times, you don't have to question.